Welcome to this tutorial on appointment booking in CreamSoda Practice Management. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to set up your booking calendar and booking form so clients can easily schedule and pay for their appointments. Appointment booking in CreamSoda is made up of two parts. Appointment booking calendar, where clients choose their appointment date and time. Booking form, where practitioners collect important details, intake questions, and even payments. Let's break that down further. Appointment booking calendar lets clients select a date and time that works best. Booking form allows you to gather name, email, intake questions if needed, and even collect payments through Stripe or PayPal. Let's move into the CreamSoda interface. Start by clicking on My Profile from the top right corner. Then click Edit. Double-check your name, title, bio, and time zone. These details are important. Your name and bio are shown on the booking page, and the time zone ensures your availability displays correctly to clients. Next, click on the Integrations tab. Enable Stripe or PayPal if you want to collect payments. Connect Google Workspace or Outlook if you want to sync with your external calendar. If you prefer, you can just use CreamSoda's built-in calendar. We have separate videos for setting up these integrations. Let's create the appointment booking page. From the left menu, go to More Options, scroll to Appointment Booking, and click Manage Appointment Booking. Then select Create Appointment Booking Type. Make sure the active switch is turned on. Use the User drop-down to select the practitioner this booking page belongs to. For location, you can choose web conference, phone, or in-person. Each option lets you add a meeting link, phone number, or address. Next, add your event name. A booking URL is generated automatically, but you can edit it. Then write a clear event description. You can also set the duration and color code appointments. Add first and second email reminders to notify clients before their session. In availability, choose which days and times you're available. You can add multiple slots per day. Use time slot interval to decide if clients book in 30 or 60-minute increments. Add preparation time or follow-up time to give yourself a buffer around appointments. Set minimum advance notice so clients can't book last minute. The booking window limits how far into the future appointments can be booked. You can also allow clients to reschedule or cancel appointments and specify the time limits and policies for each. CreamSoda automatically adds reschedule and cancel links into client emails. Click Create, plus Edit Booking Form. Turn on Notify the Practitioner or Notify another email when a booking is made. Create a session card in your workflow to track progress. Collect session fees with Stripe or PayPal in multiple currencies and with tax options. You can also add consent fields for marketing communication. Select which form fields to show and include optional intake questions. Finally, write a post-submission message that clients see after booking. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize your appointment booking calendar and booking form in CreamSoda. For more advanced options like logo uploads, check out our additional tutorials.